So the things that I wanted to go over with you guys today, I thought were really important to me was the reasons why to buy real estate. These are my reasons. These are the things that I've learned over the years, like 20 years of investing. But when I'm talking about real estate, I'm talking about cash flow, multifamily apartment buildings. So the number one reason why is because it's a proven asset class. It's already been proven. Banks love it. Financial people love it. We all know exactly what it is. So multifamily real estate as a proven asset class to invest money in, that's going to be the number one reason to be able to buy to me, right? Number two reason is capital preservation. You guys all know Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, says specific over and over again, don't lose money. That's rule number one to investing. The number two rule to investing is don't forget rule number one. Don't lose money. So capital preservation, especially in apartment buildings, when you're investing your money in apartment buildings, that is massive. You got to think about those things first as a reason why to buy real estate or invest in real estate. Number three, it provides cash flow when you sleep. The whole goal to being able to invest your money in an asset is for it to produce some form of income for you, some cash flow that you don't have to work for. So while you're sleeping, this thing is making money for you. Number four, guys. Number four is it's a real asset. It's a real asset versus Wall Street, versus putting your money in a 401k, versus stock, which is you're trading a piece of paper for another piece of paper, right? So it's a real asset. It's real. It has an address. It has everything that you need to go along with it. It's bricks, it's sticks, it's glass, it's steel. All right. Number five, the tax advantages to buying real estate. When you look at the overall tax advantages to being able to invest in real estate, it has the number one advantages as it relates to taxes are concerned. It's almost like the tax code was written to invest in real estate for real estate players. All right. Number six, long-term appreciation. So a lot of times people are thinking, oh, this fast money, but we're talking about buying or investing in an apartment building. That's a long-term play. Over long periods of time, real estate, multifamily real estate has almost doubled in its value over 10-year periods. So if you think long term, you know that you're looking to potentially double the money that you had, or the value of your assets will continue to double over time. All right. And last but not least, the seventh reason is you can leverage that asset into infinite returns. What do I mean by that? So like whenever we've bought up multifamily properties, what I've done is I've raised the money from investors. We went in, we've got that little drip per month. I've gone in and I've raised the rents to either market value, or we've just provided more value to the tenant. So we provide better parking, redoing, painting, planting palm trees, making sure that things are nice. And we've been able to increase the rents gradually over time. And while we're doing that, I go back to the lender and I go, hey, look at what we've done. Here's the new income. And then we go off and we refinance and pull money out, which is the leverage based on the new revenue that we've created in that property. And once we get our money out, that turns into an infinite return to us and our investors. So that's the seven reasons why I believe it's super important to buy multifamily apartment buildings. And when you think just through those alone, they're super valuable. And it's the number one way I know to continue to build wealth through investments, through real estate investments. There's multiple real estate the asset classes, like there's multifamily, there's single family, there's office, there's retail, there's industrial, there's land, all of those, the hospitality, all of those. But for me, when I think through the best asset class inside of real estate, I think multifamily for me, because it's the easiest to understand. And those are the seven reasons why we focus on buying multifamily real estate that I know 100% has worked for us.